Namaskar to all. Welcome to the final video log of this month, which is the August of 2021. In order to update you regarding 15 what we were doing in the last 15 days, I'd like to show you a small model, which is basically our first model that I created that I made in 2018, uh, from January to March. This was the first hardware model that I made. So I wanted to show you, just to give you a little bit glimpse of it as to what the drone company does, or what drone company has in its mind that they will be conducting in the next month. So please be tuned for a minute. I'll bring in and then show it to you. Welcome back. So this was our first model that I made in 2018. I started this making as my final year project in my bachelor's degree. So you can see here, this was the model as such. So it's SSM, simple stupid model. So it was very simple to be designed, and I actually controlled it with the Arduino board, Arduino Mega board. That's the Arduino Mega board. So because of this, I was able to fly it, but it was very uncontrolled flight in the starting. Thus, during the testing, I used to keep it strapped with these elastic bands, so that it does not, it shouldn't took off just by any accident. And I used to power this with using these voltage regulators, small voltage regulators, with a high ampere output, and thus that was that. But if you see in this model, the frame has been cut out by me. It's a small plastic board. So that's what I said, that from silica to airworthiness. It started in 2018 only. And if you see these blades, now they are being made in India. The motors are still, some of them are not made in India. Neither the ESCs are made in India. We actually designed some of the models ourselves using again Arduino boards and Raspberry Pis, which are again not made in India. There is a lot of scope in this projects like these. You see, the board or the airframe can be made in India. This is something which we will be able to design soon in our own labs, and later the blades as well. So I think this is the model which I believe that it's a starting model, of course. But if we are able to fly this using our own software, I think that will be a greater achievement. So this will be something we will be doing in the next 3 months, and the hardware, other systems are already ready. I have a lot of different systems with me as well, different hardwares also. And the first will be to make our own software, which we have designed as a simple GUI system. But the inner system of controlling this UAV isn't still designed, is still on the way. The moment that does, this will be able to fly autonomously. And so that's that for this update. See you in the next one. Namaskar.